Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima, the morning news read by Catholeno. Minister of Planning and Coordination, Land Revenue and Parliamentary Affairs Niba Krunu has said it is time to talk about post-COVID-19 and how to take the state forward with self-sufficiency, especially in food. Addressing media persons in Kohima last evening, Krunu said that everyone, including farmers, entrepreneurs or any other, has to be more active than before. He said, we always talked about self-determination, and now we have to experiment it ourselves whether we can succeed or not. Stating that Nagaland is blessed with nature's bounty, Kronu said any type of vegetation can grow well in the state and we should not be lacking behind in agriculture and allied sector. Emphasizing that Nagaland needs to progress faster in agri and allied sector, Kronu said Chief Minister Nipiu Rio also expressed concern on this issue. The minister informed that a meeting headed by the Chief Minister will be held with entrepreneurs tomorrow to discuss ways on how to improve the state's economy, particularly in agri and allied sector. The minister said, if we are not prepared now, we will face real suffering when central government is unable to give our state's share of what we are getting now. Nagaland School Education Department has directed schools to devise mechanism for preparation and circulation of notes to their students on lessons which are being broadcast through Doordarshan and All India Radio Kohima. In this regard, Principal Director Shanawaz C has issued direction to head of institutions of all schools, both government and private, functioning under the Department of School Education, Nagaland. The department further asked the schools to ensure that all norms of social distancing notified by the government are adhered to while the exercise is being carried out. Nagaland Horticulture Department is conducting a state-wide tour under the theme Grow More, Produce More, Earn More to create awareness on the importance of continuing to grow crops at this time of COVID-19 global crisis. As part of the tour, Additional Secretary Horticulture Zarenthang Ezong led a team of officials to Longland District and held a program with various agri and allied departments yesterday. Ezong said that, apart from creating awareness, the visit was also aimed at getting a clear-cut assessment from the grassroots level and to collect data and identify the farmers. On Tuesday, Horticulture Director Dr. R. Elithang Lotha led a team of officials to Zanaboto and addressed various heads of offices, NGOs, public leaders and farmers. Elithang said, COVID-19 is affecting cultivation and food supply chain in our state as well as the nation, which could threaten our food security ahead. He encouraged the gathering, especially the farmers, to continue farming to make our state self-sufficient in horticultural crops for nutritional and economic benefits. The director also emphasized on following government guidelines on maintaining social distancing and personal hygiene. He said the visiting team also took stock of the farmers' distress. Nagaland Legislative Assembly Speaker Sheringan Longcomer and Minister Rural Development Nagaland Metsubo Jamir yesterday visited the district COVID-19 hospital, Mogokchun. The legislators interacted with the medical officials on the preparedness of medical response in the eventuality of COVID-19 outbreak in the district. They also inspected the ongoing improvement and new infrastructures development works undertaken in the hospital. Earlier, Minister in charge COVID-19 Mogokchun, Metsubo Jamir, held a review meeting on COVID-19 preparedness with the district task force on COVID-19. Jamir said the seriousness of the situation should be realized by all. He said villages in the state border areas need better intervention for essential commodities, medical and security issues. The minister also assured all possible help in his capacity. Peren District Administration has promulgated prohibitory order under Section 144 of CRPC in Peren District beginning yesterday. Peren Deputy Commissioner Sentiwapang Iyer issued the prohibitory order restricting movement of individual for all non-essential activities and prohibiting assembly of 5 or more persons between 5 p.m. and 6 a.m. till 17th of this month. The DC said that Section 144 of CRPC is imposed to ensure that there is no overcrowding and for strict implementation of the state government's new guidelines on lockdown measures. And Chief Medical Officer Zunuboto, Dr. Jehokhe Chishi, inaugurated a 3-bedded ICU at District Hospital Zunuboto yesterday. The ICU will be available to patients who require the facility in the district. The unit was inaugurated in a function attended by various stakeholders and the medical fraternity. With that, we end the morning news. Have a nice day.